In this video, I'm gonna show you unboxing and review on Bosch Tassimo Style coffee machine, and how to use it for the very first time. First time use. Place for every cup with an adjustable cup stand. Easy refill water tank with 0.7 liter size. Tassimo service T-disc. T-disc is needed to run the maintenance cycles of certain Tassimo machines, also just for hot water. Instructions for cleaning and descaling. Get your Tassimo ready by following these first-time use instructions. Rinse the water tank. Then fill the water tank with fresh water up to the max mark. Put the water tank back and push it firmly down into place. Plug your Tassimo coffee machine into the socket. Place a cup, recommended size minimum 250 milliliters. Take the service disc stored in your machine and place the service disc in the brew head. Make sure the barcode is facing down. Then press the button. You need to repeat this process 3 times. Note, if you use a small cup, then whenever the process is complete, empty the cup and put it back on the cup stand. The process is completed. Now your Tassimo coffee machine is ready for use. Now we will make the first coffee with Tassimo. First, remove the water tank and fill the water tank with fresh water up to the max mark. Put the water tank back and push it firmly down into place. Remove the service T-disc and store it back. Take a creamer T-disc. Shake before use. Place the creamer T-disc in the head of the machine. Then press the start button. Take an espresso T-disc. Place in the head of the machine. Then press the start button. Your first Tassimo drink is ready. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.